Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost your likes and your followers on TikTok for free, guys. So before we get into this tutorial, I wanted to mention this giveaway that I'm doing for this red iPhone XR. So if you want to win this phone, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone to enter the giveaway.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free likes and followers on TikTok. So what you guys are going to need to do this is this TikFame app that you guys can see here with the TikTok logo right here. So essentially the way this app works, guys, is once you open it up, the only thing that you guys have to do is type in your TikTok username, and once you do that, this app is automatically going to connect to the TikTok servers, and then it's going to confuse the TikTok algorithm to make every video that you upload on TikTok, it's automatically going to post it to the For You page, so you guys can organically grow your TikTok account. And what that means organically, it means that you do not have to generate fake likes and views and followers to your account. So these are going to be real people liking and following your account, guys. So here's how you go ahead and get this app. Go ahead and pull out your phone, because if you do not do this on a phone, it will not work. So once you have your phone out, just go ahead and open up Google and then type in the search URL at the top, odexgen.com, odexgen.com. Then it'll bring you to this site right here, and all you have to do is scroll down until you see the TikFame Plus app, and once you locate it, just go ahead and click on it. Then you'll see an orange button that says download TikFame Plus, so just go ahead and click this orange button, and then it's just going to take you through a little process, and this is just going to prepare your phone to download TikFame Plus so that you guys can organically grow your TikTok account. Alrighty, guys, then it's going to say preparing human verification. So essentially all this means, guys, is that it's going to be sending you to a human verification test just to make sure that you're a human and not a robot. So this step is very simple, guys. All you have to do is complete the 4 simple offers that are given to you, and then you'll automatically be verified as a human. So I got 2 apps and 2 surveys. You may get a mixture of something different. With each app that you get, you want to install each app and run each app for 30 seconds. And then with the surveys, guys, all you have to do is click on them and then answer a few simple questions. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do an app. So you just click on the app. Then it's going to send you directly to the App Store. So once you're here, all you have to do is install this app, and once it's installed, just go ahead and open up this app and run it for 30 seconds. You don't need to start a trial or sign in or do anything like that. Just have this app open and run it for 30 seconds, guys. So once 30 seconds is up, that's one offer completed, and then you need to go back to your offers and complete the rest of your offers, guys. So once you complete all 4 of your offers, then you'll automatically be verified as a human, and then the TikFame Plus app will be installed to your phone, guys. So once again, the way this app works, guys, is all you have to do once you open up the app is type in your TikTok username, and then it's going to connect to the TikTok servers, and then confuse the algorithm to make every video that you upload on TikTok post automatically on the For You page, guys, so you guys can organically grow your TikTok account. So let me know how this worked out for you guys down in the comments below, and if you have any issues with this, just drop your social media down in the comments, and I'll DM you guys and help you resolve any issues you may be having. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope this tutorial helped you guys out.
Alrighty, guys, so once you've completed the full process that I just showed you and completed the 4 simple offers, you guys should have the TikTok Plus app automatically installed to your phone so that you guys can generate free likes and followers to your TikTok account, guys. So once again, before I go, guys, I wanted to mention this giveaway for this red iPhone XR. So if you want to win this phone, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone to enter the giveaway. Alrighty, guys, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope this tutorial helped you guys out.